Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you people would be doing good. And in front of all is a picture or some reactions that are in the continuation of previous topic. Previously, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions were discussed, like nitration and halogenation, and it is a third reaction in response to that electrophilic substitution reactions, which is alkylation. So the reaction which we are going to discuss is alkylation. It is a reaction in which the benzene is going to react with alkyl chloride and produce alkyl benzene and HCl. The conditions and the media that was used as before is like quite the same. Like in the halogenation, we use AlCl3 and FeBr3 in bromination. So here we are using AlCl3, which will act as a catalyst. So the first step is, as it was previously discussed, that generation of electrophile. Second is formation of carbocation, and third is abstraction of proton from the carbocation, or you can say deprotonation. So first step is generation of electrophile, in which the aluminum trichloride will abstract the chlorine or will react with chlorine to form AlCl4 with overall minus charge. And as the chlorine always remove out with its bond pair, so it is not enough sacrificial like the proton that will give out the bond pair. No, it will take the bond pair with itself. As a result, will produce a deficient R group that will be electrophile. So here the electrophile is generated. So there is a site upon which the benzene ring's pi electron can attack, or it get attached to the benzene ring. So as a result, these three resonating structure will be developed that we have discussed previously in nitration and halogenation reactions as well. That three kind of resonating structure produced, which can be summarized in the form of resonance stabilized carbocation. Just in case you have not seen those videos, then you may check the channel and you will find those two videos. Last step is that abstraction of proton from the carbocation. The reason that why the proton will be generated are mainly two, that is the production of regeneration of catalyst and the production of stable molecule. So the proton that is present here will move inside, the bond pair will be moved inside, and the proton will be removed out. When this proton will be removed out, it will remove as HCl, and after giving the bond, this bond or the resonance of the benzene will be completed, and alkyl benzene will form. So this was all the reaction, and I don't think that it will be difficult for you all, because we have previously discussed it. So in that response, there are acylation and sulfonation that are coming next. So stay tuned and share the page, and also subscribe to the page. Thank you.